Whoa! Did you see that? It's H-U-G. But why hasn't it popped? Catch it before it's gone. Wind speed, gentle breeze, perfect bubble weather.
Bubbles are thin layers of soapy water filled with air.
Don't pop it! Don't pop it!
It's like it's playing with us.
Oh no! The wind is taking it!
Let's guide it with the wind, not trap it.
Easy, easy. It's too beautiful to pop.
Bubbles can last longer in cooler air with less wind.
Come on, team. Wow, it's like a floating rainbow. Float, bubble, float, all the way to the sky.
Oh, with air and light, you shine so bright. Don't pop away, just dance today.
Goodbye, magical bubble. Now we can make our own and remember what we learned.